Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to get a scanned document from CamScanner into your school app. First, open the CamScanner on your phone and make sure you are logged in with your email or your phone number. Now, tap the camera icon to scan a new document, position your paper within the frame and take the photo. You can also tap on an already scanned document from the home screen. After scanning, you can crop, rotate or enhance the document to make it clear. Once you are happy with it, tap the check mark to save. To send it to your school app, tap the share button or the three dots menu at the top. Choose either share as PDF or share as image depending on what your school app accepts. Next, choose your school app from the sharing options. If you don't see it, select save to device or save to files instead. Now open your school app, go to the upload or assignments section and select the document from your device, storage or download folder. And that's it. Your document is now ready in your school app. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.